The idea was to fill this PVC pipe up with oil. We would have two weights of identical mass and then add one smaller weight here, which would bring it in balance and bring it down this way with an MGH energy of just this mass. And then once that was done, we could switch this to the other side and in effect get a ton of turns. What ended up happening were these were supposed to be a little more perforated to allow oil to pass through. We kind of messed up there, so when this came forward, it pushed a ton of oil out the edge here and we lost a ton. And it just kind of degenerated into a huge oily mess. So tomorrow, we're going to do Jules' actual experiment.
In this version of our experiment, we attempted to recreate Jules' experiment by using a styrofoam container with a metal dowel attached to a plastic pinwheel. And we filled our styrofoam container with 100 grams of canola oil. And then we attached a really, really long string to a water bottle, and we filled 0.25 kilograms of water in our water bottle. And then we attached our experiment, or we secured it with tape, to this balcony right here, and we proceeded to drop the water bottle down the balcony from a distance of about 4 meters. There were several problems with this experiment. We lost a lot of energy due to friction right here because the bottle was accelerating. And also, since the bottle was accelerating, it hit the ground with a terminal velocity, and energy was also lost that way. In addition to that, there is a second balcony below this one where the bottle did hit and it also lost energy there. So we did not observe a temperature raise, although we feel like if this was a perfect adiabatic experiment and we could reproduce it quicker, we would get a temperature raise, but we didn't.